Okay, I'm gonna show you how we did our digital calendar. We took an all-in-one computer, we hung it on the wall, we built this frame to go around it. You can see on the back, there's a piece of wood that's mounted to a stud, which is mounted to the monitor. And then we threaded the cord through the wall. It plugs in where the refrigerator plugs in. And then you go to your laptop. You go to Mango Display and you create your own layout for how you would want your digital calendar to look. I use Google Calendar, and so I can change my calendar through Google Calendar, and then it ends up showing up onto the display. Here are some more widget options that you can use to display on your calendar. And I'm going to show you, if I move the title April widget, you'll see it on my calendar move. And then you just move it back to where you want it. Wait a little bit and you'll see it pop up. So easy.